Hey, this is Josh. I just wanted to share with you something that's working really good on LinkedIn right now that I've been doing this year. This is 2016 that I think will help you generate a lot of business. And what it is, it's messaging your new connections to establish a personal relationship with them and start to build that relationship on a one-on-one personal level rather than a group email. So this is a message that I send to my new connections. So the way you do this is go under connections, under my network, then to connections, and what you want to do is you will see all of these connections that have work anniversaries or birthdays or whatever. I talk in another lecture about how to message people for this type of thing, and that I think it is a good thing, and you can generate business potentially from this, or at least boost your profile significantly. But what you want to do is you want to scroll down here, and under this sort where it says recent conversation, sort by new. So this is going to sort your connections by newer connections. Now you'll notice that some of the people have a little grayed out LinkedIn icon. This means that I haven't connected with them, or they haven't accepted my connection. So you want to filter by connections only. Then that'll give you the people that have connected with you recently. And so if it's appropriate, and if it's somebody you want to try to get business from, I recommend you send them a message and just tell them thanks for connecting. And you can use the subject line thanks, or you can personalize it even more than that. But I know that this person is somebody that I would want to get business from. She's a general manager at a car dealership, or a car, it's actually a power sports dealer, so they do motorcycles and jet skis and four-wheelers and things like that. But I work with a lot of customers like that, and so I'm going to go ahead and send her a message. And I'm going to use a pre-formatted message that I have saved that basically just says thanks for the connection. And it says, let me know how I can help you on LinkedIn. My company helps businesses profit from social media marketing and mobile-friendly website design. If you or someone you know may be interested in this, I'd appreciate if you'd keep me in mind. Have a great 2016. And I would include their name in it. So for this person, I would add her name. I'm going to go ahead and just copy this. And then we're going to go back into LinkedIn. And I'm going to put the message. Right? So there it is. And I'm going to say her name. Say thanks. And then what I'm going to do in this particular case is I'm going to say, because I know this is an automotive related dealer, I'm going to say that my business helps dealers profit from social media marketing, because she's going to instantly, that just niches down what I do a little bit more. I don't only work with automotive, but that's one of my main groups that I work with, and I have a lot of experience with that, so I'm going to let her know that up front. So it looks good. Again, this was a copy and paste email, and then I'm going to go ahead and send this message. So now she's got a message from me saying that, and basically introducing her to what I do, and without a hard sell, using her name, so it's personalized, and that has been working extremely well. I've gotten good responses from that. I talk in another lecture about a response that I got from one of those that I did from a business owner. So go ahead and give that a try. Let me know how it works out. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the discussion or comments below. Thanks for watching. Hey, this is Josh. I just want to share with you, if you would like to get a 19-step LinkedIn profile checklist. I put this checklist together for you to help you with the 19 steps that you can take to get more views and leads from your LinkedIn profile in the next 30 days. Go to joshgwinn.com/LinkedIn-profile. I'll put the link to this below this video so you can get it, but go ahead and go over to this link, and you can get this 19-step LinkedIn profile checklist free. Just click get the checklist and enter your email address, and I'll send it directly to you. So hope that helps. Check out the next video.